Okay, I just left a restaurant where I was eating, and I just saw something really cool. And this is an old Toyota Tercel wagon from the 80s, and I mean, let's face it, you never see these anymore. This is the Tercel Wagon, four-wheel drive. It's a beautiful bronze color. Standard. Oh, it's very, very clean. There's no way this is a Nova Scotia car. It's the SRS four-wheel drive Toyota Tercel. These cars just do not exist here anymore. This must have came from the prairies or something. Very rare find. Just really in immaculate shape. I can't remember when the last time was I saw one of these. Alright.